From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 has fallen a bit during the early trading hours on Tuesday as we are now below the 20-day EMA. That being said, I think most of this is probably just something along the lines of profit taking, as market participants have been so all over the place with the idea of what the Fed may or may not do. With that being the case, you have to be very cautious, but I also recognize that we're in an uptrend and that's not going to change anytime soon. So there is that, I suppose. With that being the case, market participants continue to look at short-term pullbacks as potential buying opportunities. And for what it is worth, Canadian CPI came out much lower than anticipated earlier in the session. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not they try to extrapolate that into the idea of what may or may not be going on in the United States. Underneath, we have plenty of support, especially near the 16,950 level and the 50-day EMA. So I have no qualms whatsoever about trying to buy a dip that drops down to there. If we turn around and take out the top of the candlestick for the trading session on Tuesday, that's a bullish sign as well, and it more likely than not could send this market looking back to the 18,000 level. Either way, I am not selling the NASDAQ 100. I'm either on the sidelines or I'm buying dips that show promise of a bounce.